Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video. Before starting, I would request you all to please subscribe to this channel as this channel needs your support. Also access this cybersecurity playlist. Link of the playlist is in the description box. Today we are going to learn about some incident response basics. So let's get started. Incident response is the process of managing and addressing cybersecurity incidents like data breaches, malware infections, or unauthorized access to minimize damage and recover systems. A structured approach ensures quicker recovery and prevents similar future incidents. 1. Understand the incident response lifecycle. Incident response typically follows these 6 phases. A. Preparation. What it involves: establishing policies, tools, and teams to handle incidents. Training employees on security practices and incident response. Why it matters: ensures your organization is ready to handle incidents effectively. B. Identification. What it involves: detecting and analyzing abnormal activities that could signal an incident. Using tools like intrusion detection systems (IDS) or antivirus software. Why it matters: helps confirm if a security breach or threat exists. C. Containment. What it involves: limiting the impact of the incident by isolating affected systems or networks. Implementing short-term fixes like disconnecting a compromised device. Why it matters: prevents the threat from spreading further. D. Eradication. What it involves: removing the threat completely, e.g., deleting malware or shutting down compromised accounts. Fixing vulnerabilities that led to the incident. Why it matters: eliminates the root cause to avoid recurrence. E. Recovery. What it involves: restoring systems to normal operation, ensuring they are clean and secure. Monitoring the environment to confirm the threat is gone. Why it matters: brings operations back online safely. Lessons learned. What it involves: documenting the incident, response steps, and outcomes. Conducting a post-incident review to improve response strategies. Why it matters: strengthens defenses against future incidents. 2. Build an incident response team. An incident response team (IRT) handles the technical and management aspects of an incident. It may include: incident manager, coordinates the response process. Security analysts, investigate and mitigate the threat. IT staff, assist with system restoration and updates. Legal/compliance teams, handle legal obligations and regulatory reporting. PR/communications, manage internal and external communications. 3. Tools for incident response. To effectively respond to incidents, leverage tools like antivirus and endpoint detection, detect and block malware. Intrusion detection systems (IDS) identify unauthorized activities. SIEM, security information and event management, correlate security alerts. Forensic tools, investigate the root cause of the incident. 4. Common types of incidents. Phishing attacks, fraudulent emails tricking users into providing credentials. Malware infections, viruses, ransomware, or spyware affecting systems. Denial of service, DOS, overloading a system to disrupt services. Data breaches, unauthorized access to sensitive information. 5. Best practices for incident response. Develop an incident response plan (IRP), a documented strategy that outlines step-by-step actions during incidents. Conduct regular training. Train employees to recognize and report potential incidents. Perform simulated drills. Test your response plan with mock scenarios to identify weaknesses. Monitor systems continuously. Use automated tools to detect unusual activities early. Establish a communication plan. Ensure clear communication channels during incidents, including escalation protocols. 6. Incident reporting and documentation. Why it's important: keeps stakeholders informed, e.g., management, clients, or regulatory bodies. Provides a record for legal and compliance purposes. What to include: description of the incident, type, scope, affected systems. Timeline of events. Actions taken during response. Lessons learned and future recommendations. 7. Recovery checklist. After an incident. 1. Confirm the threat is neutralized. 2. Update security measures, e.g., firewalls, software patches. 3. Monitor for recurring threats. 4. Educate employees about the incident to avoid similar mistakes. 5. Conduct a formal review of the incident and response. With this we have reached end of our cybersecurity course. Hope you enjoyed it. I would like to request you to post your comments regarding and give feedback for this course. We will continue exploring more interesting courses. New course is to be launched on this channel soon. Do subscribe this channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any update. Thank you.